figure shit out. Let's do it. Everything going, we going. It's almost like I do not live in this house. I had to be in the moment. My boy got a.
Guys, welcome back to another video. It's been such a long time since I've done a hair video, but anyways, I'm gonna be trying the miracle knots hairstyle, but instead of me doing the regular way that everybody has been doing it, I'm gonna try another way. I'm gonna try to feed it in where I'm not creating any knots per se on my hair, and I also want to preserve the hair as well. I want multiple uses, and I also don't want my hair to like unravel, because since my hair is like kind of like a looser texture now, because I've been doing a lot of silk presses, I find that when I do plaits braid, they start to unravel. So I'm not sure how this is gonna work, but I've seen where people have done it where they do the regular way with the crochet, or they use a little bit of the hair and make an actual knot, and it did not work out for them in the end with their hair, so I'm trying to avoid that. So, and also I want some level of fullness. I don't want it to be like tree braids where the hair is just sticking off and it just looks unnatural. So I'm gonna try to braid it in, feed it in, and see how it goes. And I'm using the QVR Burmese hair. It comes with its own crochet needle. I have like 3 packs of this, and each pack has a crochet needle. So this is the hair. Very nice, very curly, which I like that. So hopefully this comes out full and how I envision it. And I'm not gonna be doing much talking. I might do a voiceover, but I just wanted to do the intro talking because I gotta lock in and get this done. Right now it's, let's see, it is 6:55. Are we gonna get this done? Okay, so as you can see, I'm parting my hair in 2 sections, one in the back, one in the front, and I'm starting the braid or the plait with my hair, and then like a few braids down I'll add the crochet hair, then I braid that down a little bit more, pull the hair apart as I'm holding it in my mouth. And then for the end, you have the option of adding a singular piece to the end. But basically what I just explained, I do that twice along the braid. And then if you want to add a singular one to the end, yes, you can do that like this. Or you can do the same steps I explained earlier. Braid down some, feed the hair in, take out piece of the curl, take out the next piece of the curl, add in the second one, and then do the same thing. Instead of taking the last piece out, you just braid that down along with the rest of the hair. So in total you have 3 pieces of curls out. Or if you want to have 4 pieces of curls out, then you just add another piece at the end. But I feel like you don't need to have the extra curl at the end of the hair because it's very full. So just do 2 curls per braid. That should keep everything intact. You can try pulling it at the end of the braid to see if it's coming loose. If not, then you're good. And I've had this in for about a week now, and everything is intact, and I plan to keep this in for a whole month. And when I take it down, I expect for it to be easy because I fed the hair in. I didn't make a knot, so the takedown should be good. And also because the takedown is gonna be good, I now will have the freedom to use this hair X amount of time. But this is a finished look, and I really love it. So good. Okay, so I'm finally done, and it's so light. I know it's kind of big right now, but I finished at 12:49 because I was stopping in between. I believe if I wasn't stopping, I would have finished a little bit earlier, but I don't think I want to like spray it down or put water on it right now. I don't want to do that, so I'll leave it like this and put my bonnet on and go to sleep. But this is a finished product, and I use all 3 bundles, and this is all that's left. So I love that. For a minute I thought I wasn't gonna have enough because I started the parts a little bit small, and then I was like, no, if it's smaller, my head is gonna be like too big, so might as well try to do the parts a little bit bigger, so it's more manageable. But yeah, this is it, and it's like mid back, and this is 16 inches. And this is the back. I like it, I really do. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, comment anything below. Don't be rude though, comment any other styles that you want to see me try. I have one style that I'm gonna be doing next, and it's a fairly new style for me as well as this, so I'm kind of excited for that. I'm gonna try to see if I can have this in for like a month.
Drop the ball, my timing is impeccable. The highest, the greatest of all. The slime, I should slither, not walk. Numbers on the board, I might run out of chalk. Tighten, I see in the dark. Hyphen, I shorten the talk.